It's not about selling a machine and then saying bye. It's about long-term relationship that you make. My name is Becky and I work at Paragon. I'm a mechanical engineer and bioengineer. We do work with a lot of medical, automotive and industrial parts that are actually production rather than prototyping. We mostly try to encourage customers to prototype in the end material that they produce their production parts on. They can cut down a lot of steps. With a lot of manufacturing technologies in additive space, you are still restricted with a list of materials you've got. With carbon, you've got a wide range of material end use rather than just prototyping, and I think that's a key. We don't have a big R&D team. Carbon gives us that extension to our team. So the knowledge transfer that we get from Carbon, it allows us to get involved into design stages early on. We are always forefront with the service that we can give our customers. I think that is what sets us apart. It's a partnership.